Learn how to make these delicious homemade rissoles. Peel 1 medium onion, then slice and dice the onion. Peel 2 carrots. Grate the carrots. Place 1 kilogram of fresh minced beef into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of stock powder of choice, pepper to taste, 1.5 tablespoons of dried mixed herbs, 1.5 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, half a cup of barbecue sauce, and the diced onion and grated carrot. Mix all the ingredients. Gently roll a small amount of meat mixture into a ball. Then cover the ball in breadcrumbs. You'll need 1 cup of breadcrumbs for this step. Continue this process until all meat mixture is used. This mixture makes 20 rissoles. I'll freeze 10 for another meal. In an oil frying pan or on a barbecue on medium heat, cook the rissoles. Subscribe, like and comment. Thanks for watching.